Hi there, Roberto here with Top One Marketing again with another video. In this video, we're going to show you how to get a hold of a logo for your business. So we're in this ready-to-use template website called Placeit by Envato, and here you'll be able to design your own business logo yourself. You don't have to pay anyone hundreds of dollars to create your logo. You can actually do it yourself right here, right now. So what we're gonna do is we're at Placeit. We're gonna go to logos real quick, and you can use this this search bar up here to just enter in any kind of keyword. But we're gonna go right here and we're going to just put in we're gonna put in a name about Paint Man, and we're gonna do construction how about services painter for you that you can use. All right, and so I mean they're gonna give you a whole bunch of them that you'll be able to use. So we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna click in to this one right here just to show you the editor real quick. And so as you can see right here, you can change the type of a brush that you want to use. You can put a roller in there, right? So there's all kinds of brushes that you'll be able to use. All right, and then you can actually add another graphic if you like. All right, so you can add another graphic. You know, search what kind of graphic you're looking for, right? And so here you can change the text. So this is the first line, the text for the second line, and the text for the third line if you know, if you want it. And the software will automatically kind of format everything for you if you don't need anything. You can upload you know, a logo. You can upload another image or something for yourself there, and then you can change the background of this as well, change it to white, whatever. Okay, and then that's it. Oh yeah, you change the colors. Obviously you can change the colors of each text, and you can change the color of the brush as well, the brush handle. Oh, I'm sorry. I was clicking on the wrong one there. Okay, so there you go. You can change the color of the brush handle as well. And so yeah, so that's how you can use Placeit by Envato to create your logo. So if you're interested, you can give it a you know, a trial. You can create a free account, go up in here, you know, do some designs. You're gonna be limited on a free account, but you can try it out. If you like it, subscribe. And if you like this video, if it was helpful, give us a thumbs up, a like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel so the next time we upload one of these videos, you'll get notified. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.